Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Chromecast with Google TV for smart home voice commands, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your Chromecast with Google TV for smart home voice commands, start by ensuring your Chromecast is powered on. Locate the small pinhole reset button on the device. This button is usually found next to the power port. Using a paperclip or a similar object, press and hold the reset button. Keep holding the button for about 15 seconds. You will see the LED light on the device blink orange. Once the light turns white, release the reset button. Your Chromecast will now begin the factory reset process. Wait for the device to restart fully. After the restart, the Chromecast will display the setup screen. Grab your smartphone or tablet to proceed with the setup. Ensure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want to use. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Follow the on-screen prompts to add a new device. Select your Chromecast from the list of available devices. Once it connects, follow the setup instructions displayed on your screen. You will have to sign in with your Google account for full functionality. Next, confirm your Wi-Fi network and password. Wait for the device to connect to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, the Chromecast will automatically download any available updates. After the updates are complete, you will be prompted to set up Google Assistant. Follow the instructions to enable voice commands. You may need to customize settings according to your preferences. Finally, test your voice commands to ensure everything is working. Your Chromecast with Google TV is now ready for smart home controls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.